We carry out emergency repairs outside of office hours. If there's a problem that's putting your safety or security at risk, or that's going to cause major damage to the property, please let us know as soon as possible. Please call us on 053 937 4832. Please don't report emergencies through our website or online. Our out-of-hours repairs service is for serious repairs that could cause a risk or harm to a person or serious damage to your home if we waited until the next working day. Types of repairs that are classed as emergency repairs are uncontrollable leaks, complete loss of power, issues with heating or hot water, especially during winter, urgent need to secure your home, threat to life, major damage to your home. After 5 p.m, we will carry out repairs to make you and your family safe overnight. If our contractors are able to complete the full repair whilst at your home, they will do so. However, often they will carry out a temporary repair and then return later to complete the full repair. This could happen if the contractor does not have the correct part to fix the issue, or, for example, if there has been a leak and walls or plaster need to dry out before further work can happen. When you call the out-of-hours repair service, you should let us know the details of the item that needs repairing, where it is located, for example, in the kitchen, how long the issue has been going on, if anything has changed which might have caused the issue, other information you think may be relevant. Emergency help and information. Should you have a gas leak, you will need to locate your gas meter and turn it off. You will then need to contact Gas Networks Ireland on 1800 20 50 50. Should your electricity not be working, please check your electricity consumer unit to identify what circuit is tripped, for example, lights or plug sockets. If you find that none of the circuits has tripped, you may be experiencing a power cut. Checking with your neighbours can clarify if you are having a power cut. If so, you can call ESB Networks on 1800 372 999. There are a number of reasons why you may experience no water or very low pressure to your home, such as waterworks being carried out in your area, airlocks, or frozen pipes. Checking with your neighbours can clarify if it is a wider issue. By calling 1800 278 278, Irish Water can investigate. Your feedback on how we do is important to us. We conduct telephone surveys to try and improve the quality of the services we provide. Once your repair has been completed, you may receive a phone call asking if you would like to take part in one of these surveys. By taking part in these surveys, you are helping us identify where we can make improvements to our services. Giving us feedback means we can make changes that are important to you and your family.